What really happens to your body if you stop eating carbs for 30 days? Day 3 of keto is so miserable that most people quit. But if you survive it, your body unlocks a powerful fat-burning system most people never experience. So what actually happens inside your body when you stop eating carbs? Do you instantly start burning fat? Or does your body panic? From the first hour to full fat adaptation around day 30, your metabolism goes through a dramatic transformation. And one surprising change around day 5 can completely change how hungry you feel. Today, we're tracking the incredible physiological journey your body goes through, from hour 1 all the way to day 30. We'll break down the sugar crashes, the dreaded keto flu, and the exact moment your liver flips the switch and turns you into a fat-burning machine. Buckle up, this is your body on keto. I'm breaking this entire process down into 5 simple phases. If you've ever wondered what's actually happening inside your body during ketosis, stick around until the end. You won't want to miss phase 5. And before we start, smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming. But before your body burns fat, something strange happens in the first 24 hours. Where does your body get energy when the carbs suddenly stop? Phase 1. Running on sugar in first 24 hour. During first 4 hours, you've just finished your last meal. Your digestive system breaks those carbs down into glucose. Insulin rises to shuttle that energy into your cells. Everything feels normal. You're still running on sugar. Hour 8. You're asleep, or maybe already feeling hungry again. Your blood sugar is dropping. Normally, you'd grab a snack to spike it back up. But this time, you don't. During hour 12 to 24, now it gets interesting. Your body realizes no new sugar is coming in, so it starts raiding the pantry, your liver and muscles, for stored sugar called glycogen. You might feel hungry, moody, or irritable. Your body is like a car that's always used premium fuel, and now the tank is almost empty. So what happens when your sugar reserves finally run out? Phase 2, the drop in the panic, days 2 to 3. During hour 24 to 48, your glycogen stores are nearly depleted. Here's the secret most people don't know. Glycogen binds to water. As you burn through it, you release a massive amount of water. You might step on the scale and see you've lost 3 or 4 pounds overnight. Don't celebrate yet. That's water weight, not fat. Day 3, the danger zone. This is where most people quit. Your brain wants glucose. Your insulin is extremely low. Your kidneys are flushing out water and vital electrolytes like sodium and potassium. You may experience the keto flu. Headaches, brain fog, fatigue, nausea. Your body is throwing a tantrum. It doesn't know how to burn fat efficiently yet, and sugar is gone. You're stuck in energy limbo. Pro tip: drink salt water or bone broth right now. This one step saves people from quitting. If you're finding this breakdown helpful so far, consider subscribing. We break down the science behind nutrition and metabolism in simple terms every week. So how does your body escape this energy crisis? Phase 3, the switch, days 4 to 7. Now it gets interesting. During day 4 to 5, something powerful happens. Your liver finally gets the message. No sugar? Fine, we'll use the backup system. It begins breaking down body fat into fatty acids and converting them into ketones. Ketones are a cleaner, more stable fuel, especially for your brain. Around day 5 or 6, many people wake up feeling surprisingly sharp. The fog lifts. You're no longer hungry. The constant hunger that used to control your day starts to quiet down. The real transformation happens in Phase 4 and 5, and there's a powerful shift almost nobody talks about. Before I break that down, subscribe and like this video to support the channel. Phase 4, Optimization Mode, days 8-21. In week 2, you're officially in ketosis, but you're not fully fat adapted yet. Your body is still learning how to use fat efficiently. You might feel great in the morning, then crash in the afternoon. Around day 14, your clothes fit looser. The water bloat is gone. Inflammation drops, so old aches and pains may fade. One warning: your gym performance might suffer. Your muscles are used to fast sugar energy. This is normal. Don't chase personal records right now. Give your body time. But being in ketosis doesn't mean your body is fully adapted yet. So what happens next? Phase 5, Fat Adaptation, Day 30 and beyond. In Day 30, congratulations, you've reached fat adaptation. This is different from just being in ketosis. Your cells have built new machinery, more mitochondria, to burn fat as their primary fuel 24/7. What does this feel like? One steady energy. You don't need to eat every 3 hours. You can go 6, 8, even 12 hours without food and feel fine. 2. Mental clarity. Your brain loves ketones. Focus and concentration improve. The cravings fade. You can walk past a bakery and feel nothing. Real metabolic freedom. The journey from Day 1 to Day 30 is a roller coaster. You have to survive Day 3 to enjoy Day 30. If you're on Day 3 right now and feeling terrible, keep going. Hydrate. Get your electrolytes. It gets dramatically better. Where are you on this timeline? Are you battling the keto flu or already fat adapted? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, hit that thumbs up so I can keep making content like this for you. Subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a tip to optimize your health. And if you want to know exactly what to eat to make this transition easier, check out my video on the top 20 keto foods. I'll see you there.